Defying the majority, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, defy the majority. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite powerful in its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to defy the majority. The phrase, defy the majority, is made up of two key parts: defy and the majority. To defy means to openly resist or refuse to obey. It's about going against what is expected or the norm. The majority refers to the greater part of a group, often more than half of a population or group. So, when we say, defy the majority, we're talking about a situation where someone chooses to go against what most people think, do, or believe. It's about standing apart from the crowd, often in a bold or rebellious way. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business context. Imagine a board meeting where everyone agrees on a strategy, but one person defies the majority by proposing an entirely different approach. 2. In history, many great historical figures have defied the majority. Think of people who stood up for what they believed in, even when it was unpopular. 3. In everyday life, choosing not to follow a trend that everyone else is following is a simple example of defying the majority. Defying the majority is significant because it often leads to change and innovation. While it can be risky and sometimes unpopular, it's a driving force behind new ideas and social progress. However, it's also important to note that just because someone defies the majority, it doesn't always mean they're right. It's a balance between standing up for one's beliefs and considering the views of others. This phrase is useful in conversations about politics, social issues, business, and personal choices. You can use it to describe someone's actions or to express your own stance on an issue. For example, I decided to defy the majority by choosing a career path that's different from my peers. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, defy the majority. It's a powerful expression about standing up against common beliefs or practices for something you believe in. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and histories they carry. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.